Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
we can. Go ahead.
Okay. All right.
Hey, yes,
Okay,
yes,
all
we
right,
can
cool.
hear you. So, what's your name?
Me? Joe Grind.
Joe Grind.
Joe Grind
Joe Grind.
is an African name.
Oh, okay. So, what do you guys need in Jamaica?
What we want, a Jamaica? Barrel.
A what?
Barrel.
What the hell is a barrel?
Barrel. The little round cylindrical something where you can put one whole heap of something. A matter of fact, we didn't want the cardboard one, we want the plastic buckle one so we can put water in it when water gone.
Oh, okay. I gotta Google that. What do you guys need in this barrel?
We want in a barrel, we want sachets.
Sachets. What is that?
We want sachets.
I heard you, sir, but what is sachets?
We want sachet. A little thin something there with little 7 something like that. What look like a body. Them little
So you want to eat buddy?
my wife eat them something there. Send it for my wife.
Oh, okay. I got it completely. So, what else do you guys need down there?
Lasco.
Some what?
Send down some lasco.
We don't have it here.
Oh, you mean you don't have lasco over Friday? You don't have everything over there, so
What is this Alaska?
what is lasco? Google it.
Lasco. So, what else would you guys need in this barrel?
You don't know me as a style man, so I want some Adidas scrap. Send them 2 Adidas scrap.
Adidas crap. Are you talking about sneakers?
Boss man. You hear me say sneakers, me say Adidas scrap. Google it.
Okay, I got it. So, what else do you guys need down there? Like something to eat, like food?
Nuggets. Send down some
Yeah, but
nuggets.
I'm sure nuggets
Nobody
are
tell
in
me
Jamaica.
we don't know. We have nuggets at Wendy's, we have nuggets at Tasties, but we want McDonald's
Okay,
nuggets.
Mickey D's.
Mr. M, McDonald's nuggets.
How are we
want.
gonna send that? Nuggets are either frozen or cooked.
What you mean I can't send down nuggets? The same way you ask we for send up tasties and juicy beef, same way you can send down the nuggets them. Matter of fact, speaking of patty, send down some golden crust. We want to sample the golden crust and see what golden crust tastes like so we can compare golden crust to full patty.
Oh, okay. So what else do you guys need down there?
We need laptop.
Yeah, but you edited this video,
For the picnic them.
but I'm sure you don't have any kids.
We know they're not born it, but they put them soon born, so they put them born, them can get it.
But what if these laptops go out of date, you know? They get old
Yeah,
and get
if
slow.
them born late, they go outdated or whatever. That's why you go buy the baddest one, so buy the newest MacBook and send them for the kids them. So the kids them born is still in a style.
Okay, makes sense. So are you guys in need of money or anything like that? Any financial aid?
I mean, if you want money, when I must want money, matter of fact, make sure you want to send them the money separate from the barrel clearance money.
Yeah, but that's going to be too much money for us to actually put food in the barrel, then money for your pockets as well.
Oh, you mean, the thing say we go, so what? We are going to take your money where you send for your pocket to clear the barrel? Brother, know yourself.
I do know myself.
Send down the money.
Yeah, but how are you going to even send down this money
Western
anyway? Put it in the
Union.
barrel? How are you going to get it cleared?
Money transfer.
Yeah, but where we are right now, we have no Western Unions there, so I'm in a tight spot.
Well, if you're not on Western Union close enough, then go up on the Western Union app, you depend on the phone. You can't send down the money. You can't run from it. Send down the money, Western Union.
Got it. And what else do you guys need? Do you guys need any toiletries?
We need some toilet paper.
Some what?
We need some toilet paper.
Oh, you mean tissue paper. Okay.
Yeah, tissue.
But don't you have that in Jamaica?
Yeah, we have tissue down in Jamaica, but I don't really tissue. I want snuggle. I want my bottom snuggle up to some nice toilet paper. Send down the snuggle.
What else do you guys need?
What else we want? We need credit. Send down credit so we can call in the back and tell them thanks to the barrel.
Got it. So what else do you guys need?
Trojan.
Trojan.
Trojan. Trojan Magnum. Gold pack. Gold lard.
Oh, I got it. African. Yeah, but I'm sure that's in Jamaica, right?
It's too expensive down here. So, matter of fact, we are doing a public service. Let's pick the way up down here so, and let's pick the one up for mine.
Got it. So anything else?
But of course, we want more things. We need enough more things.
Such as?
Yeah, we need marina and we need boxers, aka underpants.
Color?
Don't send down no more white one because you know some can't wash. Speaking of wash, send down a washing machine. Whirlpool.
Any other preferences?
If you can't find Whirlpool, buy one next brand. What brand name again? Maytag.
Got it.
Yeah, and when I send down them something, then make sure you send down detergent. And nobody send down the regular detergent, send down the Tide, the HE edition, because you know it's a top brand wash machine we're gonna get, and we need the HE detergent.
So any other cleaning agents?
Me like what you think.
Thank you.
Irish Spring. Listen, you never send no one barrel and forget Irish Spring. Send that.
Got it. Anything else?
Yeah, me not too pressure on it, but me just have one more something for ask for. Send down little like snow.
What?
Send down little like the snow.
Speak up.
Me say send down little like the snow.
Got it.